Good morning, everyone.
Do you know what is the importance of today?
Yes, today on 28th February, we celebrate the National Science Day in honor of C.V. Raman.
It reminds us the importance of science in our daily lives. To celebrate, we present a few exciting science experiments.
Science is not only in textbooks but also in questions, ideas, and experiments. Science is learning by doing. In this video, we are showing some exciting simple experiments.
The magic. Let us burn ice cubes. What is this? It is a coconut shell. Isn't it empty inside? This is the ice cube. Now I am going to put the ice cube into the coconut shell. Now let me ignite the ice cube. Oh! Don't you see the ice burning? Yes, we do. Actually, I have put a piece of calcium carbide secretly into the coconut shell. The water formed by the melting ice reacts with calcium carbide, giving a gas called acetylene, which is the acetylene that is actually burning and not the ice.
We are going to do an experiment which we are going to prove that water changes its color. First, I am going to drink the water and I am pouring the water into the first glass. As you all see, nothing happens. Next, I am pouring the water into the second glass. As you all see, it turns pinkish in color. Next, I am transferring the water into the third glass. It becomes colorless. And I am transferring it to the fourth glass. It becomes milky. At last, I am transferring it to the fifth glass. It becomes pink and milky again. What's the secret behind it? The first glass contains phenolphthalein in it. The second glass contains sodium hydroxide, which makes the solution pinkish in color. The third glass contains sulfuric acid, which makes the solution neutral, and sodium sulfate in it gives the color colorless. The fourth glass contains barium chloride. It forms barium sulfate, which makes the solution milky. The fifth glass contains sodium hydroxide, which makes the solution pinkish and again milky to its own. Thank you.
A story of Akshaya. Akshaya is from a poor family. The only source of income is the selling of milk. Was going with the milk in a vessel without a lid. Suddenly a rain came. The people started shouting, "What nonsense are you doing? Isn't the milk getting mixed with the water?" Then Akshaya asked what to do it. "Hey lady, close it." Then Akshaya closed the milk with a piece of cloth. The people again started shouting, "What nonsense are you showing? Isn't the milk getting mixed with the water?" Fa, invert it. Akshaya told, "I won't, because the milk will go out." The people again said, "Invert it." She inverted it. Does the milk go out? No. Isn't it due to the atmospheric pressure? Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Gas will not conduct current, but if the voltage is high and the pressure is low, even gas can conduct current. Have you seen a device? This device named LOT. LOT converts 230 volts into 30,000 volts. In these tubes, there are gases under very low pressure. On applying a high voltage, the gas can conduct current. Now, I am going to pass current through these gases. First, I will pass current through helium. This tube contains helium. Now I am going to pass current through helium. Now I am going to on the switch. Now I am going to off the switch. This tube contains mercury vapor and I am going to pass current through it. Now I am going to on the switch. Now I am going to off the switch. This tube contains hydrogen and now I am going to pass current through it. Now I am going to on the switch.
Now I'm going to off the switch.
Finally, this tube contains neon. Now I am going to pass current through it.
I'm going to on the switch. I'm going to off the switch. Thank you.
A transformer is a device that works based on the principle of mutual induction. A transformer is used to increase or decrease AC source. A transformer which is used to increase AC source is known as step-up transformer. A transformer which is used to decrease AC source is known as step-down transformer. This side has about 400 turns of coil and the other side has about 800 turns of coil. Both the bulbs are of 12 volts each. This is a 6 volt AC source. 6-volt AC source applied across the primary coil. The coil to which we apply current is the primary coil. Here, a varying flux is produced. This produces a continuous change in the flux of the other coil known as the secondary. Since the number of turns in the coil of the secondary is double than that of the primary, the 6 volt becomes 12 volt. That is why the bulb in the secondary is brighter than that of the primary. Now I am giving this 6 volts to these 800 coils which make this primary. Now the coil having 400 turns is secondary. Hence the voltage is reduced from 6 volts to 3 volts, from which you can identify from the two bulbs. See that the bulb in the secondary is much dim than that of the primary. Thank you.
Vibration, the to and fro motion of an object is called vibration. The number of vibration per second is frequency. Now let's plug one of these short strings. We can see that all the short strings are vibrating with maximum amplitude. This is because they are in resonance. This is because they are made of same material, having same length, same thickness and same tension. Now let's plug one of these longer strings. We can see all of these strings vibrate with its maximum amplitude. This is because they are in resonance. They are made up of same material with same length, same thickness and same tension. See another example for resonance. Now let's oscillate this short swing. Now let's oscillate this long swing. Nothing happens. Now let's oscillate this swing with the same length, same thickness and same tension. We can see that if we oscillate one swing, the other swing oscillates by itself. This is because they are in resonance. Thank you.
We hope you enjoyed and got inspired. Let's celebrate Science Day all together.